Assalamu alaikum. Hi, hello, how are you? Hello, everybody. So, I'm back. I'm Sajid, and my topic in this video is to study something about user input. So, for this purpose, we will look at a class called scanner. The scanner class is used to get user input, and it is found in the java.utility package, or we call it java.util. To use scanner class, create an object of the class and use any of the available methods found in the scanner class. In our example, we will use nextline method, which is used to read strings. Okay, so let's look at the code. By the way, this video is very short, and we have a little concept here. In this code, you see we have main.java file, and we are importing java.util.scanner class. This concept I have already explained in a video where we discussed about packages. If you don't know, go back and study Java packages. For this purpose, my video can be helpful for you. Okay, so guys, next I am making an object of the class scanner, and I'm defining one string username. Then I print out one statement, enter username. Then I am expecting, see here the cursor is blinking, and I tell it my name is Sajid, and when I enter, it will go to this username string, and then system.out.println will print my name. Okay, username is Sajid. So this is how this scanner class works, and takes input from the user based on which is based on string here. Okay, so let's move forward. So guys, as I said in our previous example, we have seen that we have used scanner class to take text input by using readline, I believe readline, or next line method. Similarly, if you look at the documentation of the scanner class, there are many other methods. These methods, what they do is, for example, next boolean is used to read boolean input, next byte is used to read byte input, double, float, integer, long, short, string. So for every type of input there is different method. So in our next example, if you look at here, look at this code in detail, you will see we have made similar scanner object, my object, and we have asked the user to input name, age, and salary. So first of all, he should enter the name. So we will enter the name in the right sequence. I will have enter Sajid. Then my age is for example is 40, and my salary is, for example, 100, right? Okay, so K, right? So see here, it has taken three values, Sajid, 40 and 100, and printed them out. So this is how we can take input from the users on the command line using scanner class. At the end, we have some important message note. If you enter wrong input, e.g. text in a numerical input, you will get exception error like input mismatch exception. So we have another video topic called exception handling, where you will see what to do in such cases. If user inputs integer when string is expected, or you enter text when long double value is expected, so exception will be thrown, and then you need to learn how to handle the exceptions. You can do you can learn more and read more about in our upcoming video, upcoming chapter, where we will talk about this concept. So as I always say, it's time to wrap up this video, and I hope this has been informative for you. You learned a new concept, and I'll be back with another video. And please share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe and like and follow my channel for more videos. Take care. Bye bye. I'll be back soon.